Blacktop humming underneath the wheels, cold night air and the fire still burns. Dust on the boots by the back door light, long way home but the road still turns. Smoke in the wind, flame in the dark. Some things fade away, some things leave a mark. Flaming beer, burning like a midnight sun. Flaming beer, built for the wild and restless one. Slow fire rolling through the night, getting higher. Amber glow on a warm wood floor, leather and smoke hanging through the room. Hands build every bottle with a spark, southern nights underneath the moon. Warm flames, some things change, some stay the same. Flaming beer, carry the fire wherever you are. Flaming beer, leave a little smoke inside the dark. Flaming